Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw Mother Theresa with color pencils. I hope you like it. And friends, in my previous videos I have drawn Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Vivek sir with color pencils. If you haven't checked those videos, please go and check it out. Link will be in down below in the description as well as in the cards. Then friends, after watching this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives. As I said, please give it a thumbs up because it motivates me a lot, and at the same time YouTube promotes the video which have highest amount of average likes. So friends, please like it. Then friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and support my works, and please stay till the end of this video my friends. It will be fabulous, and enjoy this video my friends. Yeah. This is the drawing friends. I just completed it, and as you can see, I'm just going to sign it. And friends, I hope you like this drawing and like this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and family. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my love YouTube family. Support me. That's it friends. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa